Let's work out one more problem based on theory of dilute solution. The problem is like this: 9 gram of glucose is dissolved in 90 gram water. 90 gram water. Calculate the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Calculate the relative lowering of vapor pressure of vapor pressure. Okay, only vapor pressure. If the vapor pressure of pure water is, if the vapor pressure of pure water is 3200 Newton per meter square. Calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. Calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. Vapor pressure of the solution. Here again we are making use of Raoult's law. The relative lowering of vapor pressure from Raoult's law. The relative lowering of vapor pressure, that is P naught minus P divided by P naught, is equal to the mole fraction of a solute, N2 divided by N1 plus N2. Now we calculate first the number of moles of a solute and solvent. Number of moles of solute N2 is equal to, here the solute is glucose 9 gram divided by molecular mass of glucose. We just add all the atomic weights. Formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Molecular mass comes out to be 180. 9 upon 180 is 0.05. And the N1, number of moles of solvent. Here the solvent is water. Mass of water is 90 gram divided by molar mass of water is 18, H2O, 16 plus 2, 18. 90 by 18 is 5. This is the value. These are the values of N2 and N1. Now N2 by N1 plus N2 is equal to 0.05 divided by 5. N1 plus N2. N1 is 5 plus N2 0.05, that is equal to 0.05 divided by 5.05, that is equal to 0. If you use the calculator, 0.05 upon 5.05, 0099. So this is the relative lowering of vapor pressure, that is P naught minus P upon P naught. P naught minus P divided by P naught is equal to 0.0099. So P naught minus P is equal to P naught minus P value, that is equal to P naught, that is the vapor pressure of a pure solvent, into 0.0099. The P naught value is given here. The vapor pressure of pure water, water is a solvent, 3200 into 0.0099. Use the calculator, and its value is 31.68. This is P naught minus P, lowering of vapor pressure. Therefore P is equal to, we want a P, the vapor pressure of solution, that is equal to P naught minus 31.68. I take this P on this side, 31 on the left side. This is equal to P naught is 3200 minus 31.68. This is equal to 3168.32. This is the vapor pressure. The vapor pressure is measured in Newton per meter square. This is also called Pascal. So this is what we want. This is the vapor pressure of the solution. This is how we have to solve the problem based on it.